Yeah. Now when I pull up to the spot, they go crazy. I got hitters on my block every day. And when I pull up to the spot, they go crazy. You know I do this for my block every day.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are a new watcher. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos, and let me know down in the comment box below what else you would like me to do a tutorial on. Today this is my first time trying this ball cap method, so bear with me. Over here during this part, I actually sprayed the got to be glue like a little too much on my forehead, and then I had to go back and chop more off because it was just too far down on my forehead, and I didn't want it so far down on my forehead. Obviously, I wanted it back up near my hairline. So make sure when you're spraying the got to be free spray that you don't spray it like too much, because it will drip down all the way on the cap, and then you'll have to go back in and like fix it and cut it back to like where your hairline is. So that is what you see me doing here, just going back in and cutting off the excess cap like from off my forehead, so it's like further back on like near my hairline. So keep in mind, you may see my braids out in the back a little bit because I did not sew down the back of the cap. I was actually like in a rush because I had to make it to the airport on time. So I really did this as quick as possible. Now I'm taking bold hold glue and just spreading it across my hairline and a little bit on the cap so that my wig can stay secure in place, because I wanted it to be in place for a little while because I was going away and I wanted to keep my wig on for at least 4 to 5 days, and this is the best way to do it. I also apply about 3 to 4 coats, and the way I apply it is I apply one coat and then I wait until it dries completely clear, and then I'll apply the next coat, and so on and so forth. And when it's my last coat, I wait till it's completely dry and make sure that the glue is clear, because if it's not, then you'll see like the glue like bulging out of the lace cap when you put it on, and that is not cute. So yeah. And now I have applied my wig. I'm sorry y'all, my camera had died, so that's why I had skipped to this part. And I'm just doing my baby hairs how I like it. Everybody does theirs how they like it, and this is how I like mine. The lace cap probably looks a little light here. It's just the lighting, because like when I'm out of the light, trust me honey, that lace looks flat and laid and melted. I will show you the video. You'll see the video at the end of how it turned out, especially when I blended it in and added some makeup and all that extra stuff. It looked flawless. So now just a few finishing touches on my baby hairs and boom, that's how I like it. Yep. And my wig came out just how I expected it. Nice and curly and full. 14-inch curly lace front wig. I think it was Malaysian curly, and I got it from AliExpress, and the vendor was, I believe, Allie Julia. So yeah, the hair was really soft and I really liked it. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what other videos you want me to make. Love you. Thank you.
Yeah. Now when I pull up to the spot, they go crazy. I got hitters on my block every day. And when I pull up to the spot, they go crazy. You know I do this for my block every